What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I'll show you how to delete transaction history on Wise app. So you might be wondering, can you actually delete your transaction history here on the Wise app? So in this case, you may want to hide some transaction here. Well, there are some information that you need to know here. Now, the thing with Wise here is they're very transparent with the details that you can access or what you can see on your account. Now, with that said, deleting your transaction here on the Wise app is quite hard because then again, this feature does not exist within the app. But there is an alternative thing they could do here to basically hide that transaction. So what you need to do is you want to open up the Wise app here and you want to go ahead and go to your transactions and just press or click on that transaction. Now, on the next page, you should see details about your transaction, and what you need to do is you just need to click on the three-dotted icon that you see at the top right of that transaction next to the question mark, and once you press on it, you should see the option here that says hide this activity. Now, in this case, when you click on hide this activity, this will hide your transaction from your account here, so not necessarily deleting, but the best thing that we could do right now within the Wise app. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.